Okay, we're going to learn how to handle some exceptions. So many different types of errors can occur when running a script. So rather than letting a script cause a runtime error, we can gain more control using certain error handling procedures. The most widely used error handling technique uses a try except statement. So we consider the script from the preceding set of steps, and what if the geodatabase my geodatabase did not exist? So in Python, when we're going to make sure the script copy feature classes pi is still open, and we're going to replace my study into my study, and we run and we had an error message. So the more detailed error messages is also printed in here. So it says executive error 000210 cannot create output results. My database bike routes fail to execute copy features. Next, we will check this error using try expert statement. So we're going to rewrite our code, kind of modify. All right, so now I will say import ArcGIS and then put a comma OS, and then it's from ArcGIS import environment, and then next line will be try, and I have to indent it. Oopsies. Try this and this, and 4. Okay, and describe everything remains the same. Okay, until here, it should be my data. My data, and then we will have my data. My geodatabase, and then except arcpi dot execute error, and we will print arcpi get messages 2, and then except, then print there has been a non-tool error. So let's double check again. So we have import arcpi and ls from arcpi, import environment, and try environment workspace, and then our path, feature list, arcpi list feature classes for feature class in feature list, describe, arcpi describe feature class, copy arcpi, copy features, management, and fc os path join, and results my data and my geodatabase describe base name, and except arcpi execute error, and print arcpi get messages 2, except print there has been a non-tool error. And I'm going to save and then run. Click OK. Fail to syntax error expected an index block. Oh, it's right here. Indented. Save and run. There. Running script copy. Okay, perfect. Alright, so save and run, and this time the script runs successfully. However, an error message is printed in the interactive window, as here says error to 00210 cannot create output results. My data and bytecross fail to execute copy features. Although the error message is the same as before, there is a very important difference. Despite the error, the script runs successfully rather than resulting in a runtime error. So this is a very important distinction. Say, for instance, that you call the script as a tool in ArcMap. If the script results in a runtime error, you may not find out what happened because the printed error message does not appear anywhere. With the use of the try except statement, the script runs successfully and the error message can be reported back to the tool that called the script. Alright, so now we will have to do our questions. Alright, so I will have this one save as Q1 for Q1, and then I will have open another one, click OK. So file, and I will save it Q2. All right, and then so the first line I have import ArcPy from ArcPy import environment, and then environment workspace perfect equals my path. Oopsies. My path. I have to bring my path out. Open. All right. Open. All right. There. So this 07. I have FC equals feature class airports.shapefile, and I have rows equals arcpy.search cursor FC and fields. Oopsies. arcpy.search cursor, and then I have a field equals arcpy.list fields, and then FC for field in fields equals, I have a eFields.name equal name for row in rows. Print. Name equals 0, and then dot format. And we have a row.get value field.name there. All right, so let's look at the first one. And of course here, FC, I can spot it. It should be lowercase fc. And then for fields, if something we need a semicolon here, and rows, that's fine, but print, we have to indent it. All right, so save and run. Click OK. All right, so we still have some issues here. Attribute name. Let's see, save and run. see airports. ArcMap. So we're going back to ArcMap and see what's going on there, and I'm going to bring out things to see what's going on. Okay, and let's go to Python, and it's in exercise 7. If I put the airports, all right, airports shapefile, and let's see the field name. Go to open attribute table, and we do have a name. It's capitalized. All right, everything's capitalized. Clicks load, and data 11 question 1. Click open, and let's run it. All right, has no attribute. Let's see, name equals fields. F0 feature class print name. Print name, get value name. I think I'll just save it here. All right. Number 1, run again. Click OK. Return code 1. Alright. Line 12. That's where my cursor is. Step 1. Which step? Alright. Work environment. Alright. Python data. Okay, airports, shapefile. Airport or airports? Yeah, airports shapefile. I do have there. Name role, print role. Now get value, fields name, format, name equals. Name equals. Alright. It shouldn't matter. Debugging. Alright, I'll come back and fix this one. Alright. Exceptional mistake. Alright, let's go back to the second one. Alright, close this one. Okay, we will have another one. So, the one had import ArcPy, and from ArcPy import environment, and then environment workspace, and then equals that I will have 09. Raster equals that I will have a land cover dot tiff. Alright, and then describe equals ArcPy dot describe, and then raster, and then x equals describe mean cell height, and y equals describe mean cell height. Alright. Spatial reference equals describe let's see, what was the issue here?